Welcome to Performance-Based Preparatory Academy. I'm Susan Seal, the principal, and I'm so happy to welcome you to our campus for the 2020-2021 school year. We always take safety and security of our students seriously, but this year we've added several safety protocols due to COVID-19. As you already know, we're a small, intimate campus, so we do restrict the number of people allowed in our front office at one time. If you need to visit our office, please follow the signs which are posted on the front door and within the front office. Anyone entering our campus must wear a mask. For our faculty, staff, and students, hand sanitizer is provided not only at entry stations, but also in each classroom. Students are expected to sanitize when entering and leaving the classroom and the cafeteria. As well, we ask that students bring a personal water bottle, as our water fountains will only be used to fill bottles and not to drink from. Parents, please do not send your child to school if they are not feeling well. We are fortunate in that all of our students can access their Edgenuity from home. We will post a parent wellness checklist on our Facebook page to assist you in determining symptoms that will prohibit your child from attending school. Also, if you are transporting your child, please drop off and pick up students at designated times to assist in appropriate social distancing. If your child is riding the bus, please discuss the importance of social distancing at bus stops. As you enter our front office, you'll see Miss Terry. Her smiling face greets us every day and ensures us that we will start our day with a positive interaction. Go ahead and get ready to step into the hallway. Our program specialist, Dr. A.B., is waiting to give you a personal tour.
Hi Stallions, it's Dr. Alisea Barrow, or Dr. A.B. as I'm known. Thanks so much for joining us today. I'm going to take you on the tour of the school, so let's go. Down on the west side of the building, you'll find your math classes, Mrs. Thompson and Mrs. Paletti. As you can see, this is one of the math classrooms. Please know that when students arrive, they will not be sitting next to each other. We will be working to do social distancing in all classes. And please know that you have two amazing math teachers who care about you and want to see you succeed. This is where you'll find Mr. Bowens, who teaches science. He'll be working on some virtual labs, some fun activities, and some blended learning with science on and off the computer. This is where you'll find Mr. Farmer, who teaches world history, U.S. history, and government and economics. He has a great mix of online learning and paper learning. You'll do great in here. This is where you'll find Mrs. Robinson. She teaches digital informational technology, where you'll learn all about Microsoft Office Suite to Adobe Suite. Here's where you'll find Ms. Powell and Mr. Portee for all of your English classes. Learning here at Performance Based is a real treasure. Students will enter the cafeteria through the door marked 149, and then they'll line up here to get their food for lunch. As you can see, we have our social distancing markers on the floor, and we will have limited seating so students can social distance while they're eating lunch. This is our cafeteria. Seating will be marked so students will be social distanced while eating lunch, and we'll have areas outside for students who prefer to eat outside. Here's where you'll find Mrs. Cannon. She is our mental health counselor. She's here to help students with any of their counseling needs. Mrs. Diaz works on scheduling students and working with them in regards to academic concerns or issues, and she's also there to talk if a student just needs time to talk.
Hi
Stallions. I am Mrs. Diaz, the school counselor at PBPA. As we embark on a very unique school year, I am so excited to work with you as you work towards your goal of graduation. Your schedule has been created with your specific graduation needs in mind and can be found on Skyward. If you have any questions, please contact me directly on Teams, by email, or call 772-468-5890. The link to download Teams can be found on our PBPA website. Make this a great year.
Stallions, we definitely want to be able to get information out to you. Please be sure to provide us with your cell phone numbers so we can get you on the Remind app. Don't worry, your information is not shared, but we do like to use that to get information out to you and your families. Also, get very familiar with Microsoft Office Teams. That's going to be the best way to communicate with any one of us on campus. And please like our page on Facebook.
I'd like to introduce you to our faculty and staff. They are very excited to begin working with you this year. We have Ms. Diaz, Guidance Counselor, Ms. Paletti, Math, Ms. Thompson, Math, Ms. Manier, ESE, Mrs. Culver, School Secretary, Mr. Bowens, Science, Mr. Farmer, Social Studies, Mrs. Cannon, our Mental Health Counselor, Ms. Hayhurst, our Testing Coach, Ms. Powell, English, and Mr. Portee, English. For those of you in our My School virtual program, please plan to work daily during your regular posted schedule. Your schedule can be found in Skyward. We will be meeting with you daily in Teams at 11 o'clock. Monday, we will explain the support we have set up for your success. If you have any questions, please reach out to Mrs. Diaz or myself. If you've not already done so, please like us on Facebook and check out our website. We use both forums to communicate with our families and community. Also, for additional information, please follow St. Lucie Public Schools. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you Monday.